Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever needed a quick and reliable way to create unique random IDs right inside Google Sheets, whether that's for tracking inventory, student assignments, or unique entries in a project, this is the tutorial for you. Today I'll walk you step by step through using Google Apps Script to make a custom function that instantly generates a random ID whenever you need it. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set this up and can start using your own random ID generator in any sheet you like. Let's jump right in. First off, before we even get started with Google Apps Script, you're going to need the actual code for the random ID function. No need to worry about writing any code yourself, I've got you covered. I've placed the code you'll need right down in the video description below. Go ahead and copy that. You can just select it, then hit Ctrl-C or Command-C if you're on a Mac. Now let's move over to Google Sheets. Once your sheet is open, look up towards the top menu bar, click on Extensions. It's the tab alongside things like File and Edit. From the drop-down, you'll see Apps Script. Go ahead and click there. This is going to open up the script editor, kind of behind-the-scenes workspace for adding new features or custom functions to your spreadsheet. Next, you'll see an editor window, possibly with some placeholder code. Just select all of that and paste in the code you copied from the description. This is the magic part. You're giving your Google Sheet the power to generate random IDs on command. If you're new to Apps Script, don't be intimidated. Think of it like telling your sheet a new word it can understand and use from now on. Now, before you can use your new function, we need to run it at least once to make sure Google authorizes everything correctly. Look for the little play button at the top. It might look like a sideways triangle, and give that a click. The first time you do this, Google might ask for permissions, and that's normal. They want to make sure you know what scripts are running in your account. Just follow the prompts by clicking through and allowing any permissions it requests. This should only take a moment, and don't worry, this script is safe and private to just your sheet. With the function now active, let's return to your Google Sheet. Here comes the good part. In any cell where you'd like a random ID to appear, simply type in equals make simple ID number. Replace number with however many characters you want your ID to be. For example, equals make simple ID 8 will generate an ID that's 8 characters long, perfect for something like a student code, project number, or a quick reference tag. Now hit enter, and there you go, a random unique ID appears instantly. You can repeat this in as many cells as you like. Each time you use the function, it'll create a brand new random string that you can use for whatever you need. If you want, try changing the number to get shorter or longer IDs, whatever suits your needs best. And that's it, super simple. With just a few steps, you've added a powerful new custom function to your Google Sheets toolbox. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you ran into any tricky spots or if you have other Sheets questions. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow Google Sheets and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.